Oppo released its latest flagship device, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G. Weighing 183 grams, a height of 161.2 mm, width of about 74.2 mm and thickness of 7.34 mm, the Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G harnesses advanced technology to provide a smooth, even and lightweight grip. Ultra clear in any light, in bright light or after dark, the flagship-level Sony IMX709 and Sony IMX766 sensors help you capture clear images. The narrow bezel and larger screen-to-body ratio of 6.7-inch ultra-clear AMOLED screen team up with rich color and a 120 Hz refresh rate. With a RAM of 12GB plus 256GB and ROM with UFS 3.1 USB OTG capacities, performance has been taken to the next level driven by the 8 cores with a maximum clock rate of 2.85 GHz. Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G has an ultra-conductive cooling material, accelerating heat flow. With up to 80 watts SuperVOOC, the Oppo Reno 5G Pro can fast charge in minutes.